Hey guys, this is going to be a different kind of video today. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on many different things, but this episode of the tutorial is going to be on how to do a furnace, or automatic furnace rather. So what you need is a hopper. Well, you need, actually, if you're doing this in survival, you need 2 hoppers, you'll need some chests, you'll need 3 chests, and you'll also need a furnace. And how you do this is you'll get your chest, hopper on top, then you put the furnace on top of that, shift click that on there, put that on there, hopper onto the furnace again, and then a chest. And that is a automatic furnace. And so what you do is you shall need to put your coal, where is the coal? You need to put the coal in, I'll just grab a stack of coal, you put the coal in there, but you also need iron, or just something to see how that's going down, it's going into there, and so if you put this in there, it goes down into the bottom one, and there you have it. That is your automatic furnace. So, bye.